Being hit by a moving object is one of the top causes of fatalities in the manufacturing industry in New South Wales. Generally with forklifts, there's a couple of things that result in injuries more often, and that is the proximity of any pedestrians. When forklifts are being used in and around people, particularly in manufacturing where there tends to be less room for them to move, there's less separation between pedestrians and forklifts being moved around. An incident occurred recently where a person had the back of their heel impacted by a forklift, and they're still undergoing surgery and they're at risk of losing their foot entirely. And that was a young person, so their life has been dramatically changed. The lives of their family are impacted because the family are there to support the person. Anything that happens to them is going to cause an emotional impact on the family, and the colleagues that they work with are also similarly impacted. We see people with damage to their feet, damage to their legs. They can quite often be knocked to the ground, they can suffer head injuries. You've also got injuries with people being hit by loads that could be on an attachment if the load swings and hits them, or forklifts manoeuvring can sideswipe people as well. Despite the inherent dangers, incidents caused by unsafe forklift use in manufacturing can be prevented. Go out and actually do a review of your operations and look for where the risks can occur. The behaviours in manufacturing which create a risk with the use of forklifts are generally where the activity is being carried out near pedestrians, and that can either be in the work areas generally or unloading vehicles and containers. Always wear your seatbelt. The most common issues that we've had with forklift drivers being injured is where they haven't worn their seatbelt. Always keep an eye out for pedestrians. If someone walks towards you and they're not meant to be in that area, stop what you're doing until you can get them clear, and then you can recommence your operation.